Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to do an unboxing of a recent Craspire order I received. I had forgotten all about it and it came in the mail the other day, so let me show you what I received. I've only opened the envelope. I haven't taken really anything out. The nice thing was, this time it's not, a lot of times it comes packaged like a football. It's wrapped in bubble wrap and it takes a chainsaw to get it all apart. This time it didn't come that way, so that was nice. I cannot tell anything by the packing list, so I'm not going to look at that. So let me see what I've got here. I remember that it's been a while since I did this. I remember wanting some more purple pellets, and so I ordered a jar that's just purple and they're little stars. Oh wow, that's pretty. That's a beautiful color. And they look like they're maybe the same size as the pellets I had from the others. And that jar is full. That's really pretty. And then this came with 4 tea lights and 2 more spoons. So that's good. I'm building up my collection of those things. Let me see what's in this box. I don't remember what I ordered, except I remembered ordering purple pellets. Oh, they have some rectangular ones now. So I bought this one. It's a pretty wooden handle, and then this is like a spray of leaves. Very cool. And this one, I think, is a little bitty one. It's really heavy. So I think it's one of those solid ones. Oh, it is. This is very, very heavy. And it is, what is that? Oh, it's a little, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it. It's a little spool of thread, and I recently got back into cross stitch, and I thought this was fun. But I cannot believe how heavy that is. And then let's see what's, this one is packaged very well, like the other stuff used to be. So let me see how to get into this. Nope. Okay. Oh, this is another handle. I have some, last time I got some heads without handles. Heads, they're called stamps. This handle is made out of marble, I believe. And it's not very long. It's just a hair over 2 inches long. And it'll fit. They all have the same diameter, so it'll fit any of them. And I just thought this was a fun handle. This is a grayish marble looking. So this was my order that I got this time from Craspire.com. Next weekend I will be playing with it. My weekend is over now, so I don't have time to play. So yes, I'll be doing a video next weekend, hopefully both of my videos next weekend, showing projects that I made with all these. So that is it for my Craspire.com video. I'll link below to all these products, plus just to their website. So thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.